In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your iPhone talk whenever you plug it to light or you plug it to charge. Open your shortcuts app, click on automation, click on the plus icon. In some cases, you will see new automation, click on it. Then in the search bar, search for charger. Now click on the charger and make sure you turn this on. If yours is not on, make sure it is turned on. Then click on run immediately. Now click on next and search for speak. Now click on speak text. Under the text, click on it and type in what you want your phone to say whenever you plug it to light. For this example, I will just say thank you, Janet. Click on this arrow and you're going to select the language you want. It depends on your country. Now click on choose. This is where you're going to be choosing the type of voice you want. Now go ahead and click on done. And by the time I plug the phone now, let's hear what it will say.
Thank you, Janet.
I don't think I like this one. I will just change it to something else. Just in case you don't like how it sounded, just click here. And then you click on text again. And you click on that arrow. Click on choose. And then you can change it to any other voice of your choice.
Thank you, Janet.
Please subscribe, like, and also share with someone who might need this. Bye.